Oh, and they're mustering all over the place. Here comes Corbin Strong. He's just sailing in with Geraint Thomas, taking a very, very quick lead. Meanwhile, Axel Laurence it is that picks it up. He's going to try and deliver this one. Strong's boxed in just on the inside, and here comes Brennan around the outside. High, wide and handsome. The young man, 19 years of age, gets himself a second stage win. That was a piece of class. No panic whatsoever. A whole raft of backup for him on an extraordinarily tough day. Matty Brennan has only gone and done it again.